guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the first video for 2022 and I'm very excited because today I will be showing you how to create a beautiful and glowy makeup using only drugstore products. It is going to be quite a quick video and very easy to follow, so let's begin. So firstly, I will prime my face using this spray primer from NYX Cosmetics. It's quite easy to use. You just spray it all over the face. And you'll feel your skin very hydrated almost instantly. And this is why I like using this spray primer. The next thing I want to do is use a liquid highlighter, and I'm taking this one by L'Oreal, and I will use just a little bit, mostly here on the highest points of my cheeks. I am going to use as well here between my eyebrows and bringing it down here on the bridge of my nose, and I am going to use as well on the chin just a little bit and try to blend it with my fingers. This will give you a natural glow underneath your foundation. Okay, so now for foundation, I will take this stick from Maybelline, and I'm using the shade Ivory. This is the 010. And for concealer, I will take another Maybelline product. This is the Instant Anti-Age, and I am in the shade Ivory as well. So I will use these two products, and with a beauty sponge I will blend everything out. I will go and contour, and I will use the Wonder Stick from NYX Cosmetics, and I will take the darker shade and contour my face, and I will just draw some lines here on the cheek hollows, then on my forehead, under the jawline, and again with a beauty sponge I will blend it out. And for some extra warmth to my face, I will use this cute little palette from L'Oreal. It has some bronzer and blush in it. So I'm gonna take a face brush and I'll just combine both of these and just go all over my face. Some extra blush with Matte Blush by Maybelline in 40, Mauve Intrigue. For defining my brows, I will be taking the Brow Precise from Maybelline. This is a brow pencil, and this is the shade Soft Brown. For the eyes, I will use this palette from NYX Cosmetics, and I will grab this color from here and I will apply it all over my eyelid towards my brow, and this is going to be like my transition color. Now with a flat brush, I will take this dark color and I will apply it all over my eyelids. And I will take a clear fluffy brush just to blend the edges. Now from this highlighter palette from Essence, I will take Summer Glow and apply it on the outer part of my eyelid, and Major Glow will be on the inner part of the eyelids. I will apply some mascara, and I'm using the Falsies by Maybelline, but feel free to use any false lashes if you want, but I'm just trying to stay away from false lashes. My eyes are getting super red and itchy and I don't really like that, so mascara is my only friend at this moment. But as I said, feel free to use any falsies that you want, and I believe Essence has some good falsies, and BH Cosmetics as well, so check them both if you want. Okay, so now for the lips, I will use this Essence lip liner to line my lips, obviously. This is a beautiful nude color. See how pretty it is. And for lipstick, I will take the More to Adore from Maybelline. Beautiful nude rosy color, obsessed with this one. So I'm gonna be using these two products. And when I line my lips, I like to start from the bottom lip and to kind of overline. and then I will bring the line slightly upwards like that, not towards my corner. I want to lift everything, so I'm gonna try this line up here. So it should look something like this. I don't know if you can see it on camera though. I guess next time I'm going to use a red lip liner so that you can clearly see what I am doing. So the same thing I will do for my upper lip. I'm gonna slightly overline the lip and then bring the line here and then down the lip, but not towards the corners. It's going to be like the same thing as on the bottom lip. Okay, so now I will go with the lipstick. Such a gorgeous color, beautiful. My lips are dry as but anyways. So this is the final result. It's quite easy to achieve and very fast using only drugstore products. These are actually also my favorite brands from the drugstore, to be honest. And yeah, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see other makeup tutorials using drugstore products or whatever, just let me know in the comments below and I will be very happy to do it. And if you have any questions about any product that I've used in today's video, just let me know. And before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It will really help me, and I do hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye.